Why yield keyword is used in Python?
In Python, yield keyword is used inside the generator function. It provides a sequence of values lazily. Instead of writing the regular functions, we can write the generator using the yield keyword. It will return the elements in the series. Suppose like there is a series that we want to return. Instead of returning the complete list, it will return the single value from this sequence. When we call the generator function again, it will return the next value. Here I am creating simple generator function, my function. Inside the my function I am creating the list of numbers, nums, and then I am iterating over all the elements list nums, and instead of return I am just writing yield and num, assigning the generator function object to the object. Then I am using print and next function to print the elements written from the generator. First print statement will give the output as 4, which is nothing but the first element from the list. When you call the print statement next times, we'll get the output as 5, which is nothing but the next element from the list. The advantage of using the yield keywords in the generator functions over regular function, it is more memory efficient. Instead of returning the complete list, it just returns the next value in the series.